In the world of language, even small words can hold immense power. Can, could, may, and might are perfect examples. These seemingly simple words open doors to expressing a wide range of possibilities, abilities, and permissions. Mastering them is like adding vibrant new colors to your linguistic palette. Imagine wanting to ask for a favor, express uncertainty, or talk about what you're capable of. Can, could, may, and might are your go-to tools. Let's embark on a journey to unlock their potential and empower your English communication. By the end, you'll navigate these words with confidence and finesse. Can is your trusty sidekick when you want to talk about what you're able to do. It's all about ability and potential. I can swim a mile without stopping. See how easily can conveys your swimming prowess? She can speak 3 languages fluent for help, indicating someone's ability. By using can effectively, you communicate your skills and the possibilities that exist within various situations. Could is like the older, wiser sibling of can. It carries a sense of maturity and depth that can lax. It steps in when we talk about past abilities or possibilities that are a bit less certain, adding a layer of complexity to our expressions. Could transports us to the past, illustrating an ability you once possessed, making it vivid and relatable. We could go to the park later if the weather clears up. This sentence shows how could introduces a conditional element, making the plan tentative. Notice how could suggests a possibility that depends on the weather, making it less definite and more open to change. Could you please pass me the salt? This polite request demonstrates how could softens the tone, making it more courteous. Just like can, we can use could in polite requests, often softening the tone and making interactions smoother. Navigating permission and possibility with may. May is our go-to word when we're seeking permission or discussing possibilities with a touch of formality. May I borrow your pen for a moment? Using may demonstrates politeness and respect when asking for something. It may rain later, so bring an umbrella. In this case, may expresses a possibility that is less certain than will. You may choose any book from the shelf. May conveys permission graciously, often in more formal settings. Mastering may allows you to navigate social situations with grace, making polite requests and expressing possibilities with a touch of formality. Understanding might, expressing uncertainty. Might enters the scene when we're dealing with uncertainty and possibilities that are even less likely than those expressed with may. It's a subtle yet powerful word that helps us navigate the gray areas of decision-making and future planning. I might go to the movies tonight, but I haven't decided yet. This simple sentence captures the essence of indecision and the open-ended nature of our plans. Might highlights the uncertainty of your plans, indicating that you're still on the fence. It's a way to communicate that you're considering options but haven't committed to any. The weather forecast says it might snow tomorrow. This use of might shows how we often rely on it to express the unpredictability of weather conditions. Here, might suggests a chance of snow, but it's far from a guarantee. It leaves room for doubt and acknowledges that the outcome is not certain. If we leave now, we might catch the earlier train. This scenario shows how might is used in everyday situations to express potential outcomes based on our actions. Might conveys a possibility that depends on certain actions and circumstances. It's a versatile word that helps us articulate the nuances of potential future events. By using might effectively, you can express yourself with caution when you're unsure about the future or the likelihood of something happening. It's a valuable tool in both spoken and written communication, allowing for a range of expressions from tentative plans to speculative forecasts. Enhancing your English with modal mastery. Congratulations on taking this important step. You've now delved into the fascinating world of can, could, may, and might, unlocking their power to express abilities, possibilities, permissions, and uncertainty. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these modals, the more natural they will become. Use can for abilities and possibilities. For example, I can swim shows an ability, while it can rain tomorrow indicates a possibility. Employ could for past abilities and less certain possibilities. For instance, I could run fast when I was younger, or it could rain later, the project. Opt for might when expressing uncertainty and low probability. For instance, I might go to the party, or it might snow tomorrow. By incorporating these words into your everyday conversations and writing, you'll enhance your fluency, accuracy, and overall command of the English language. Practice them in different contexts to see how versatile they can be. Embrace the power of these small but mighty words and watch your communication skills soar. With consistent practice, you'll find yourself using them effortlessly and effectively in no time.